which is events pair, which is used for booking for various occasions like concerts, movies, and other things. Bot is very simple and user friendly and does everything. So suppose I'll send a message here on spot. I get this message that this is a welcome bot and I have to start locations. And when type locations, it calls a REST API. So when it calls locations, I get all this list of locations where I could book the movies from. So I think I want to go to Toronto. So I'm going to book number 5. And then I get Toronto and Canada. And see, I can see 2 movies which are there in Toronto and Canada. And this shows really nicely. I want to go to Inception in French language. So I do just that. And then Inception in French. And then I can avail 3 theaters which I could use. And I want to go to Cineplex cinemas. Right? And then now I get the cinema. And then the frame would be. And then the shows are there. So which are available are morning shows, afternoon shows, and evening shows. I want to go to evening 16. And that is selected here. And then the frame is called pitch. Right there. So when the user selects the seat which you want, so when the user using the Corners app selects the seats which he wants, he gets this frame which has this image and these interactions. So the user can select which seats he wants to book for himself. So in this case, I'm going to select A4 and A6, and I'm going to confirm it, and that would be reflected here on the screen and the frame image, right? A4 and A6. So I'm going to book this seat for me, and then the ticket which is going to be attested on sign protocol. See here, I'll be getting the summary which is A4 and A6 with the price. So when this payment is done, I'm going to do this, and I have to give my name here. So I'll be putting in my name and submit it and phone number, and then we submit it here. And then after the submission, we get a frame here, and before we had 25 attestations here, and then we'll be having 26 attestation, which is a ticket which we entered here now, which is of A4 and A6. So this ticket has been attested, and this can be viewed in any explorer on the even scroll sepole and the sign. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sudeep. As my team member said, like we are actually working on building a ticket booking platform where they can book for movies, concerts, and all. And currently, we are having one centralized component where basically the theater person, like let's take the movie, the theater person basically provides us like details which are the movies that are available. We are actually relying on a centralized database. So we want to move it to a decentralized infrastructure, like basically. So we thought about using Sprawl roller. We have deployed our own roller so that we can store the data that's related to all the concerts, movies, which all locations that are available. So this is the one which we have. This one, like we went with the DevNet deployment. We also went with the production deployment. It was having issue, so we went with the DevNet deployment. All the Kubernetes cluster, all the DevNet related, all the pods have been created like Blockspot, Element DevNet, and all this stuff been created inside the AWS EC2 instance. This is the EC2 instance that has been created, and this is the roller. This is a website that we mapped to the frontend.stk, and basically we are actually added a GUI using the VNC based in B2P local chain, and rollup is the Sprawl SDK, and all the rollup explorer like the Blockspot explorer to view the layer 2, all the transactions there, and we also connected the MetaMask wallet to this one, and we deployed the contract. Basically, this is our contract, which actually is going to store the movie name, which are the languages that are available, location, everything. It's going to be, it's actually deployed in our, it's actually deployed in the layer 2 roller that has been spin up using the scroll SDK. So the explorer, all the transactions, it was created first back, all the details. This is basically being rendered from this one second. This is the grades. Everything is basically getting mapped perfectly. We are like all this spin up, we are not having an issue, and this is the let's go for the rollup explorer where we can see all the rollups, like the last committed batches, like 3 batches have been created. We like 100 transactions and somewhere 1 transaction. And this way, like basically when we run the helper, the scholastic helper, we basically increase the transactions during this hour. So yeah, like we now would like to like deploy the entire database part to the rollup to automate all this stuff. Thanks.